Hello everyone and welcome to Swarajya Tales. I am Tanish and I am 15 years old. Swarajya is the Marathi word for self-rule. Swarajya was a dream, it was a mission, it was a vision, and it was also a realization. This is the time of the 1600s when India was completely surrounded by foreign invading forces. The Mughals in the north, the Adil Shahi Sultanate or the Bijapuri forces in the south, the Qutub Shahi forces in the east, and the Portuguese and British colonizers in the west. And in the 1630s rose a youngster in the present-day region of Maharashtra. He was the son of a Jagirdar, guided by the values of his mother Jizabai and supported by his loyal and faithful friends. His name was Shivaji. And he thought, why should we be governed by these foreign invaders? Why can't Indians establish their own rule? We want an India ruled by Indians. And that is why Shivaji Maharaj and his comrades started a movement which later resulted in the formation of a massive empire called the Maratha Empire, and the young boy Shivaji became Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Now under the Peshwai reign in 1759, the Maratha Empire reached its zenith, spanning from Tanjore to Peshawar and from Vasai to Kolkata. It was the largest Indian empire in the 18th century. To bring forward the story of this Maratha Empire, I have also written a book, Maratha Samrajya, Rise of a New Empire, and I wrote this when I was 13 years old. It covers the Maratha history from Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj 1630 to Madhavrao Peshwa 1772. Through this channel, I want to bring forward stories about the Maratha Empire and its rulers, administrators and warriors. I want to talk about the inspiring successes like that of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Bajirao Peshwa and Madhavrao Peshwa. I want to talk about the sacrifices like that of Sardar Baji Prabhu Deshpande, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj and Sadashivrao Bhau. I want to talk about the contributions like the Maratha Navy and the warfare tactic called Ganimi Kawa, which our soldiers use to this day. And this cannot be possible without your support. So I request you to subscribe and also share my upcoming videos so that this story about this glorious empire of India is no more unknown.